So in the yesterday's video, we had a discussion. We started a new batch, okay, on Core Java, the complete Java course you can able to learn from here. So the duration of the course is 7 weekends. The classes are going to be held only on Saturday and Sunday. The timings of this batch is 5 p.m. to 8 p.m. And this week demo, from next week onwards, regular class will be there. And the fees for this batch is 5,000, where you are going to get running notes and recorded videos. Running notes is lifetime validity, but these recorded videos are you are going to get up to 6 months access. And what syllabus we are going to cover, I explained very clearly the syllabus part in the yesterday's video, like starting from introduction to all the fundamentals which we are going to learn, and object oriented programming, and some exception handling, multi-threading, wrapper classes, collections, IO statements, database handling, Java new features. And even you people are going to get some top level 20 programs, and a hacker rank link with the 200, more than 200 programs, and interview questions and answers, all these things. And yesterday even I started explaining one simple Java program. See, generally, if you want to write any Java program, n number of elements must be required. But here in the latest versions of Java, especially in Java 23, 22 versions, we are not required to take the classes. Directly, we can define a main method and we can execute from that main method. Such type of nature is there. That's why this is nothing but a valid Java program. Like how we are preparing C program and C++ programs in the same style we prepared. So how to run that? So that part also I explained already. Sir, how we are going to run that one? So just we are using Java 21 version path, Java hyphen enable hyphen preview. So source we are using 21 version and a test.java. Whatever target that you have given, that a target we got printed. And after that, so general way of writing Java program also I explained by taking one simple Java program like demo.java. So we need to take a class. This class means what? All these things maybe in the next week I'm going to demonstrate. What is this public? When we can use the word called public? What is mean by static? So void main means what? So string array arguments, everything we will discuss. So Java C is the command which is used to compile your Java program. There are two steps will be there in the programming. Not only Java, if you take any programming language, there are two phases are there. The first phase is compilation. We have to write a program and we need to check whether that program is working properly or not. That means, is there any syntactical mistakes are there or not? We can check by using compilation process. If there is no mistake, then we can execute the program directly. So this part also I explained very clearly. If you want, just have a look once. Once if you use this edit plus editor, it is going to provide auto suggestions. Sir, I am taking class, any name you can take. Assume that I am going to take the class name as a Sunday, sir. Any name you can take. So I want to save this file. So generally, where we are going to save the file in the sense, there is one folder is there in C drive. The name of the folder is a test. Inside this test folder, try to give the file name as a Sunday only, sunday.java. Why? Because the class name is a Sunday. It is always good programming practice to take a file name and then class name as a same. Sir, all these rules and regulations I will demonstrate. Don't worry at all. Sir, once if it is clear, the program is clear, how you can able to run? We have to open command prompt for running the program. Inside this command prompt, first come out from all the folders. Then, so try to enter into the folder called test. Then you can take Java C. What is the file name that we have taken? Sunday.java. You can see the program compiled fine. Then I'm going to run the program. So Java space, only file name you have to take which is nothing but Sunday. If I press enter, what happened? We are getting the message called hello world. This is the way how you can able to execute a small Java program. Sir, if you are doing any modification to this program, again we have to recompile and re-execute. Okay, this part also I covered very clearly. Sir, up to this, do you have any doubt? Please confirm.
No, sir.
Right. After that, we started the concept called data types. So what is mean by data type? So data type is nothing but what? It is a type of data. Sir, what type of data we are using in the program? That is decided by data type. Data type represents what type of data that we are using in our program. So for that, we have taken some example also. For understanding purpose, I have taken one example like how we are going to calculate addition of two numbers and how you can able to check whether a person is eligible for vote or not. While developing these applications, compulsory it is our responsibility to give the type of the data. What type of data it is holding, compulsory we have to provide. And if you take employee management system project also, okay, so we analyzed some 5 to 6 data and every data belongs to what type of data also we have seen. And I covered some important 3 note points. What is the first note? In Java, we have 2 categories of data are there. One is a primitive, one is a object. But generally, everything is considered as object only, not primitive. In Java, we have both the primitives concept is there, at the same time objects concept is there. So but regularly we are going to use objects only. But if you want to convert from primitive to object or from object to primitive, sir, which concept we need to use? There is one special scenario is there called as a wrapper classes. By using that wrapper classes, we can convert our primitive data into object form and object to primitive. Both possibilities are there. Then, sir, in Java, there are totally 4 types of data types are there. I mean, at the top level classification. One is integers, second one is real values, third one is characters, fourth one is boolean type. Sir, when we can go for integers, if you want to represent the data from minus infinite to plus infinite, then we have to go for integers. When we can go for real values, if there is any data which is represented in x by y format, then we have to go for real values. When we can go for characters, sir, if any data, if you want to represent in ASCII code format or Unicode format, then we have to go for characters. And there is one more type of data is there called boolean, which can take either true or false. Like that, totally there are 4 primitive data types are there, sir. Then, sir, how to take these integers? So for storing large volume of data, we need to go for integers. For storing small value of data also, we need to go for integers. So with respect to space and time, there is a division which is going to occupy more memory, which is going to take more size, more time to access. Based on that time and space, there are some divisions. Like integers are divided into 4 types: byte, short, int, long. And real values are divided into 2 types: float and double. Characters, only one division is there called char. And boolean, only one division is there called boolean. So total, how many primitive data types are there? 8 primitive data types are there. For all the primitives, we are trying to cover these properties, like what is the name of the data type, what is the keyword name, and what is the size, how much a range it is going to take, means minimum value, maximum value, what is the default value, what is a wrapper class, everything we covered. And if you see, for byte data type, we discussed yesterday, and even we have seen example program to get minimum and maximum value. Some valid invalid test cases also we have seen. Short data type also we covered. Integer data type also we covered. And long integer also we have seen. these are nothing but integer related data types which I covered in the last sessions. Sir, up to this, if you are not having any doubt, then I will move further, sir. Sir, any doubt up to this? Please confirm everyone. Any doubt up to this? Sir, please confirm. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Right.
Yes, sir.
So the next
Clear,
data
sir.
type what we have is floating point data type, sir. What is this floating point data type? Sir, what is the name of the floating point data type? We have float data type is there. Next and after that we have double data type is there. Next and after that we have character. Character data type is there. So next and after that we have boolean. Boolean data type is there. Let me discuss about these four data types now. So coming to this float, sir, it comes under decimal values. Sir, what type of data it is going to hold? Decimal values. Decimal values in the sense, remember always, if any data is represented in points format, then it is called as a decimal value. If any data is represented by using points format, then it is called as a decimal values. Sir, what is the keyword name? Which keyword we are using for this purpose? We are taking float, which will take, sir, 5 to, okay, 5 to 6 decimal places. So it is going to take, that means after point, how many decimal places you can take? 5 to 6. What is a range or what is a size? It is going to take 8 bytes. Tell me, friends, if it is 8 bytes, how many bits? 1 byte is equal to how many bits, sir? Please confirm.
8 bit.
8 bits. So 1 byte is equal to 8 bits. 8 bytes means 8 into 8. 64 bytes, right?
64.
64 bits. So what is the range? Sorry, sir, I don't know about range. No problem. We can write a program, right? Tell me what we have to take to find minimum value. Float dot
Min.
min underscore. Yesterday you attended, right? Please interact. Float underscore min value and float underscore max value we can take. Sir, I am going to compile and I will run. You can see. Sir, it is something like exponential format. So what is the minimum value? 1.4 e to the power minus 45 to 3 point something like that e to the power plus 38. It is a exponential form. No need to go in detail into the description. You can ignore. This is nothing but what is meant by float data type what we have. Sir, what about the default value? That means if you are not giving any value for this float, by default it is going to take always 0.0. If we are not giving any value, then by default what is the value that it is going to take? 0.0. What is the wrapper class? Float is the wrapper class what we have. Sir, if you are clear with this float, then I will go with the double. Do you have any doubt in this?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Coming to double is also almost related to float, sir. What is the name that we have to take for this one also? Decimal values only. What about the keyword, sir? Double is the keyword, which is going to take how many precisions, sir? Sir, 14 to 15, 15 points accuracy. Accuracy you are going to get. Sir, next and after that, what about the size? It is going to take only 4 bytes. No, sir. Sir, actually, um, float is going to take 4 bytes. That means 32 bits. Whereas coming to double, it is going to take 8 bytes. 64 bits. Sir, what about range? Again, we have to write a program for that. Double dot min value, and I am taking double dot max value. Sir, if you take double dot min value, it will return what is the minimum value it is going to take. Have you observed 4.9 e to the power minus 328 is the minimum value? Sir, what about maximum? 1.7 something like that. This is nothing but maximum value. Sir, if you are not giving any value, no problem. 0.0 is nothing but what? Default value what we have. So if you are not giving any value, what is the default value it is going to take? 0.0. Sir, what about the wrapper class? The name of the wrapper class is nothing but what? Double. This is about double. Do you have any doubt in this double data type? Please confirm.
No, sir.
So doubt, sir.
Sir, clear?
If we
Yes,
have
sir.
a 4 point something something
Hmm.
value, can we use float data type for this?
Yes, we can use. Float and double
There,
both are same, sir. Float and double both are same. The only difference is how much points you need. Okay, for example, if I am taking 1.2, then better to go for float. After points, if you have more decimal points are there, then go for double. Accuracy, if you want, you can go for double. Understood?
yes, sir.
Any other queries? Sir, any other queries? Can I go for next?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Then, sir, coming to the character, remember carefully. What is the name of the character data type that we have is, sir, character. Generally, what word we are going to use? Character only. Sir, what is the keyword name? What is the keyword name that we are using to represent a character data type is char. Char is the keyword name. Char is the keyword name. Sir, how much size it is going to occupy? Sir, do you know in C language, in C++, like it is going to take only 1 byte. But in Java, the size of the character is nothing but what? 2 bytes. It is going to take 2 bytes. Sir, 2 bytes in the sense it is a 16 bits, sir. 2 bytes in the sense it is a 16 bits. What about range? Sir, actually, in the characters, there is no negative characters. Negative character, positive character, such type of terminology is not there. There is only one character will be there. Okay, there is only one character will be there. That's why I mean only positive side. There is no negative side. Sir, that's why, sir, if you take the size 0 to 65,535 is the limit, sir. Sir, do you know these many characters are there in Java? Even in Python also. It is a Unicode range. It is the Unicode range. Negative characters, such type of terminology is not applicable here. Keep this in your mind. So the range of character, if anyone is asking, this is the range what we have. Sir, what is the default value? Boss, if you are not giving any default value, sir, space, empty thing is nothing but default value what we have. Sir, what about wrapper class? Character is the wrapper class. Complete name we have to type. We should not take like CHR. We have to take complete name. This is nothing but a character data type. The only one point that we need to remember is negative character, positive character, such type of terminology is not applicable here. Clear, friends?
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
clear everyone? Please confirm. Next. Sir,
Sir, I have
coming to...
one doubt.
Yes, madam.
Sir, if we take like mathematical symbols like slash or hyphen, then they were also included in character.
Yes, yes, exactly. Everything will comes under characters. Anything, any ASCII symbol. For example, if you have plus symbol, it is also ASCII character. We have star symbol, we have percentage, we have hyphen, dot, colon, semicolon, quotation, everything will comes under character only. If you count all the keyboard related characters, okay, all the keyboard characters, if you count, sir, total how many characters we are going to get? 0 to 65,535. These many characters are there. Do you know in this we have already Telugu alphabets will be there, Tamil alphabets will be there, English characters, so Urdu, Arabic, worldwide, how many alphabets are there? Everything will comes here. Understood, madam?
Yes, sir.
Right. Sir, coming to the last data type, boolean. It is a bit different data type, sir. The name which we are using for this is nothing but what? Boolean. Sir, what is the keyword name? Keyword name is also boolean, sir. Sir, please make sure size is not applicable. Why? Because see, boolean means either true or false. The only allowed values are only true or false. If you have to store only two values, taking size is not good, because if you take character, we can give guarantees, or z means some memory, x means some memory, like that. But when you are coming to boolean, only two values are there, then one single cell is sufficient. That's why size concept is not applicable for boolean. Range is also not applicable. But the allowed values are, sir, we can take either true and false, true or false, that's all. These are the only two values that we can take. Other values are not allowed. Sir, what about default value? False is the default value. Sir, what about wrapper class? Boolean is the wrapper class which we are using. Sir, are you clear with this terminology? Everyone, please confirm clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
These are nothing but what are the various data types which are available in Java. Sir, tell me, what are the data types that we have? Can you please give list? I forgot. Can you please tell me? What is the first one? Byte.
Byte.
Then short.
Integer,
Short.
short,
Then integer. Then long. Am I right?
long,
Then
yes,
float.
float, double,
Then double.
Double.
Then character.
Char.
Then boolean.
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 That's all. For byte, what is a wrapper class name, sir? Is it byte? B starts with capital. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
For short, sir, yes, short with capital letter. For integer, not int, complete form you have to take. For long, wrapper class name is long. For float, wrapper class name is nothing but float. Okay. For double, the wrapper class name is nothing but double. For character, the wrapper class name is nothing but character. So for boolean, the wrapper class name is nothing but boolean. Like this we have. Sir, clear up to this? Any doubt?
Sir, doubt, sir.
Yes, please, sir, you can ask.
What is the difference between character and string?
Sir, character means what? So this is called as a character. A group of characters is called as a string. So if you take single character, single alphabet, then it is called as a character. Like that, if you have two or three characters, if you combined, then it will become string. Character is the data type, string is not a data type. String is an object. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. And one more important point, since you asked the doubt, string is the most commonly used object in any programming language, not only in Java. If you take any programming language, what is the most commonly used data type? What is the most commonly used object? String is the most commonly used object, because n number of things are there in string, sir. Understood, sir, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt up to this? Can I go for next?
Sir, can I ask a doubt?
Yeah, please, you can ask.
Sir, if something new languages are discovered in the world, so is the range of character will be increased?
No, no, no. It is fixed, sir. It is fixed. Already we have some empty spaces, empty values are there. That will be replaced.
Okay, sir.
Sir, clear everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
With the help of these, just I wanted to write some two or three notes. Okay. First note is related to these data types, primitives and objects. Second one, sir, there are some signed data types are there. There are some signed data types are there. Sir, signed data types means what? Which will take or which allows both positive and negative values. Sir, if any data type is allowing both positive and negative values, such type of data types are called as what? Signed data type. There is one more data types are there with the name unsigned. Unsigned data types means what? Which allows only positive values, only positive values. Sir, can you please tell me the data types among these 8 data types, which data types are going to allow only positive values? Do you have any doubt, any idea?
Character.
Yes. So character data type is going to be unsigned. Even can I say boolean also?
Yes, sir.
So all integers and real values, that means floating point values will comes under signed. We can take positive integer, negative integer, positive floating point, negative floating point. But a positive character, negative character, such a type of terminology is not there. Sir, clear up to this? So if I
Yes,
am
sir.
taking integer x, don't draw anything on the screen, please. If you take integer x, tell me, is it going to take only positive values or is it going to take both positive and negative? So it will take both the positive values as well as negative. If you want to only positive or if you want to only positive and negative, explicitly also we can declare like this. What is the meaning of this? If I am taking, it will allow both the positive and negative values. Both are same, sir. Sir, if I want to take only positive, then what we have to do? Like this, we need to take, it will allow only positive values. Sir, are you clear with this small point related to the sign?
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
clear? Then next one, sir. So default values, I am talking about default values concept. Sir, when we are taking integers, sir, what are the allowed data types for this? Byte is there, short is there, int is there, long is there. Among these, sir, which is the default value? Can I say 0 is the default value? For
Yes, sir.
floating point values, sir, float and double are there. Which is the default value? Can I say 0.0?
Yes, sir.
What about the characters? Only one type is there, which is nothing but char. What is the default value for that? Is it a single quote or not?
Yes,
No,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
What about boolean? The only allowed value is nothing but we have boolean. And what is the default value for this? False. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Then, so default data types. Sir, among these, which are the default data types? I want to trace now. Now, have a look once. For integers, we have 4 types are there. Sir, if I am taking 10, 10 comes under which type of data? Sir, the value 10 is there in byte. The value 10 is there in short. The value 10 is there in integer. The value 10 is there in long. If you see that 10 is there in every data type. Sir, but among these 4, there should be one default, right? So integer is the default. When we have float and double, which is the default? Double is the default. Since there is only one type is there, it will become default. Since only one type is there, it will become default. Remember carefully, default values means if you are not providing any value, what default value it is going to take. That point is clear. Sir, default data type means what? We have so many data types are there. Sir, if I am not giving any data type explicitly, internally, what type of data it is going to hold? Are you clear with this?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Please confirm.
Yes, sir.
Right. So with this, the story of data types got completed. If you are clear with this, I will go for next concept. Can I start?
Yeah.
Yeah. Sir, the next topic what we have, sir, already I started Java. Typecasting or type conversion. Type conversion. Sir, in any programming language, this concept is very common, sir. What is mean by typecasting or what is mean by type conversion? Sir, converting one type of data into another type of data is called as typecasting or type conversion. Sir, what is mean by typecasting or type conversion? Converting one type of data into another type of data. Best example, sir. If you understand these examples, easily you can remember. Sir, do you know if you take student percentage, sir, in general, if student percentage is 67.12, some people may use the word called, sir, this student percentage is 67 or 68, something like that. They won't pronounce that point something. Sir, is it a conversion or not? Yes. Best example, sir, petrol price. Sir, if you take if you are taking some petrol, sir, I need petrol for 1 liter. Maybe, sir, its price is 112.23. Then what people are going to tell, sir, it may be 112. For round off, it is always common practice. Sir, my credit card, okay, my credit card bill in this month, sir, it is around some 45,000. But in my credit card it is going to show, sir, 45,000.00. I didn't mention even that point zero is not having any value, but since it is talking about the currency, we have to do always. Sir, in all these cases, if you see, we are converting internally one data type into another data type. In the first example and the second example, we are converting floating point value into integer. Sir, in third example, we are converting integer value into floating point, like that we have. Do you have any doubt, friends, up to this whatever I covered? Please confirm.
No, sir.
Sir, clear everyone? If theoretical points are clear, then easily we can construct a program. Are you clear with this, friends?
Yes, yes.
Right. See, there are there are two types. There are two types of conversions. Two types of conversions are existed, friends. What is the first one is? What is the first one is automatic conversion. So we are not required to write any program for this. Sometimes automatically it will convert. Sir, second one is manual conversion is also there. So we have both options. One is automatic conversion is allowed. Second one is manual conversion also we can do. Sir, first I want to talk about automatic conversion. Sir, what is mean by automatic conversion? What is mean by automatic conversion? The name itself is giving very clear clarity, right? Sir, what is automatic conversion? Automatically, automatically lower data type, sir, will be converted. Lower data type will be converted into higher data type. Higher data type. This type of conversion is called as what? Automatic conversion. Automatically lower data type is going to be converted into higher data type. Best example, sir. Sir, I purchased so half kg sugar packet from supermarket, DMart supermarket. I purchased so half kg sugar packet. In my house, 1 kg bowl is there to accommodate sugar. Sir, automatically you can put this half kg sugar packet into that bowl. There is no problem without any loss. Happily, that half kg sugar is going to be accommodated. This kind of conversion, we are not required to take any risk. Sir, this type of conversion is called as implicit, implicit casting, implicit casting, or we can also call it as automatic conversion, or there is one technical name is there, friends. What is that name is widening. What is that name? Widening. Like there are three names are there. One is implicit casting, or automatic conversion, or widening. Sir, next, sir, when it is going to be happened, if you want to do this, sir, do you know lower data type size must be less than or equal to, sir, higher data type size. Lower data type size must be always less than or equal to higher. Then only we can accommodate. Sir, is there any loss here? There is no loss of information. There won't be any loss, sir. But if you want to understand this clearly, I will take a diagram, then you people are going to understand well. Sir, if 3 points are clear, I will take a program. I mean, I will take a diagram. Clear up to this? Clear, friends?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Tell me one by one. Sir, what is the first data type that we have? Byte, am I right? What
Yes,
is the
sir.
size of byte? 1 byte, am I right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
The next data type is what? Short. How much size? 2.
Byte.
Then we have integer data type is, what is the size? 4. Then we have floating point data type. How much size, sir?
4.
4. For a, sorry, before this float, we have one more data type. What is that?
Character.
Long.
Long.
8 data type, 8 bytes. Then we have, so floating point is there, which will take 4 bytes. Then we have double is there, which is going to take how much size, sir? 8.
8.
Sir, which are missing in this?
So character.
Okay. So I am taking character here. So character. Then any other data type is missing?
So boolean.
Boolean. Sir, Boolean won't participate in this game. Why? Because for Boolean, is there any size?
No, sir.
No, because we are talking about size only, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, since Boolean is not going to participate in this. Now, from this diagram, we have to tell which conversions are possible automatically. Sir, if you are clear with this, then I will start explaining the program, sir. Clear, friends? Please confirm.
Yes, sir.
Are you clear with this, all these sizes, whatever I mentioned here?
Yes, sir.
Right. Sir, coming to byte and short, is it possible automatic conversion only, right? Please confirm. Correct
Yes,
Yes,
only.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Short to int, automatic conversion only, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Int to long, automatic, right? Sir,
Yes.
float to double,
Yes.
character to short, tell me character to short.
So both are equal.
Yes, both are equal. We can accommodate, right? I told less than or equal to, right?
Okay, okay.
But I have a doubt. Sir, characters means only positive. Am I right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
In this positive is there, at the same time negative is there, right? Is it possible?
Yes, sir.
Because the range is very small. Are you understanding? 32,000 something to, so plus 32,000. But how many characters are there? 65,000, right? Is it possible to accommodate? No.
No, sir.
Are you understanding? This is one important interview question. Sometimes they may ask, sir, character to short integer, conversion is possible or not possible? Sir, conversion is not possible. If you want, you can go for explicit. Why conversion is not possible? Because even though they are having same size, the representation of character data type is only positive numbers. That 65,000 value is not there in short integer. That's why what is the alternative? Sir, we can convert a character to integer. Up to this, do you have any doubt? Clear, friends?
Yes, sir.
Then, sir, one more arrow mark is missing. Tell me, can I convert long to float?
So maybe we convert, but not implicitly.
But please make sure it is implicit conversion only. Why? Because I'm telling one example. Remember this. Assume there is one classroom is there, sir. Okay. So the name of this classroom is nothing but A. In this classroom, I am taking Java class. Sir, we have total 8 benches are there in this class. So total 8 students are there in this class. I am taking Java class. Suddenly, counselor came. So counselor told there is some emergency meeting is there in that room. Can you please shift all your students into B classroom? Sir, then in B classroom, we have only 4 benches are there. Tell me, is all these 8 students can accommodate in this classroom?
No, sir.
No. Now I am telling one word based on that. Tell me, sir, in A classroom, every bench capacity is only 1 student. In B classroom, every bench capacity is 2 students. Now tell me,
Yes, sir.
understood point? So the representation in floating point is different. The representation in long integer is different. In long integer, we have only some part, whereas coming to the floating point, we have 2 parts will be there. Okay, that's why happily long to float is also convertible. Sir, I am saving this diagram. I will share as it is for you. Sir, do you have any doubt up to this? Sir, are you clear with this? Don't worry, I will take example and I will demonstrate. Clear up to this?
Yes, sir.
Can I go for next? Please confirm.
Yes, sir.
Right. So I'm taking one by one example. Okay. Example number 1. See carefully, friends. First example, what I'm taking here. So better to take always test.java because my hand will always go for test.java. Now listen. Sir, here I want to declare one variable like b is equal to 10, sir, and integer i. Integer I. Sir, can I take I is equal to b? Can I take or not? In the comments I am writing, double slash means comments. It will be ignored during execution. So after double slash, you can take anything, sir. It will be always ignored during execution of the program. It will be always ignored during execution of the program. Sir, we are converting byte into integer. Am I right, friends?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Tell me what is the size of byte?
1 by
1,
1 byte. What is the size of integer? 4.
2,
4.
4, 4. Sir, is it
4.
possible?
Yes,
yes,
possible, sir.
Yes, possible. That's why there is no error. If you are trying to print the value of B, we will get a 10. If you print the value of I also, we will get a 10. If you want, you can check. Java C test.java I am taking. Java space test I am taking. You can see in both the cases, the output which I got is nothing but what? 10. Are you clear with the first example? Please confirm. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then second example, for your easy understanding purpose, I want to go for second example. Sir, tell me, I'm taking character ch is equal to something like a. Okay, integer I am taking. Okay, or let me take short I am taking. Sir, I is equal to ch. What is the size of character? Character size is 2 bytes, sir. Sir, we are converting into short. Tell me, is it possible? Is it possible or not?
not possible, sir.
No, sir.
Not possible. If you are trying to compile the code, okay, sir, what output we are going to get? First of all, my code is not going to be converted. Why, sir? Are you seeing the error message? Incompatible types, possible lossy conversion from character to short. Array boss, you are converting character to short. I am unable to convert. So it is not possible. Sir, can I take in the place of this integer? What is the size of integer? 4 bytes. Is it possible? Please confirm.
Yes, sir.
Tell me what is the character value that we have here, right?
97.
I means what? Integer. But character, how it can be converted into integer? ASCII values. Remembered? Now, let us compile the program and let's run. The output what we are going to get is A and 97. Are you comfortable with the second example?
Yes, sir.
Then
Yes, sir.
I want to take third example because you may have a doubt in this floating point to long integer to floating point conversion. I want to take one example. Sir, I am taking long L is equal to 10, sir. Then I'm taking float f. So I'm going to assign f is equal to L, long integer to float. Sir, long integer size is 8, floating point size. Okay, floating point size is nothing but 4. Sir, I want to print L and then f. So L means it will print 10. So float means it will print 10.0. Sir, please make sure if it is not possible, whatever explanation I told, if it is wrong, we should get error message. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Right. If you are not getting error message, then what is the meaning? There is no problem. Successfully, it is going to compile. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Now, let us compile the code. Java C test.java I am taking and I am going to run the program. You can see, sir, we are getting 10 and 10.0. Clear, friends, everyone? Are you clear with the terminology? Sir,
Yes,
why no
sir.
response? Clear.
Yes, sir.
Feeling difficulty? Sir, everyone please confirm. Anyone feeling
No, sir.
difficulty?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Right. Sir, last one. I told already, boolean to any other type conversion. Possible or not possible? I am taking boolean b is equal to something like a true. Then I am taking integer I. I am trying to assign I is equal to b, sir. Tell me, is it a valid statement or invalid statement?
So
Tell me.
maybe invalid.
Invalid. Definitely we are going to get error message. Am I right? Sir,
Yes, sir.
why? Because I told boolean won't participate in the game because boolean is not associated with any size. So you can see what error message we are getting. Boolean cannot be converted into integer. Sir, everyone clear with this? Sir, are you clear with these implicit conversions, whatever we have?
Yes, sir.
Any
Yes, sir.
doubt?
No, sir.
Everyone good? Fine. Next, sir, I want to take the next concept. What is that concept is manual conversion, or we can also call it as manual casting. Sir, what is mean by manual casting? Sometimes conversion may not be possible. Sometimes conversion may not be possible. In such cases, what we have to do? We have to do it manually. Sir, how to do that? First point, manually. So we are converting higher data type into lower data type. It is possible. Manually we can do. So here there will be loss of information. Compulsory loss of information will be there. Okay, still if you want to loss, then we can. Sir, this is also called as manual conversion, or it is also called as manual casting, or it is also called as narrowing. Any word we can use. Sir, it is called as manual conversion or manual casting or narrowing. Any name we can use. Okay. Next point. Sir, whenever if you are applying this, please make sure destination data type size must be less than source data type size. So source data type size must be very huge. Then only we can do this manually. Sir, what we are going to do generally, in general, if we are taking destination variable is there, right, is equal to, if we are taking source variable, we will get error. Am I right, sir? Please confirm. Why? Because, sir, source type is large, destination type is small. When you are trying to convert a large type of data into small type, okay, large size into small size, definitely we will get error. Am I right, friends? Please confirm.
Yes, sir.
So how to avoid that? How to avoid that? Sir, I need conversion. That is called as manual casting. Sir, how to do that? Very simple. Sir, source variable we are converting into destination. While converting, sir, target is what? Source or destination? Please confirm. Target is? Target is what? Destination only, right?
Destination.
In front of this source, within brackets, you have to take destination types. So I am manually converting this source variable into destination type, and then I will accommodate. Definitely loss will be there, but still if loss is there, I want to convert. If it is the case, we have to go for which one? Manual casting. Once if you see one or two examples, you will get clarity. Sir, what about the diagram? The diagram is the same, sir, but the only difference is arrow marks will be in the reverse direction, because larger type to smaller type, right, arrow mark will be in the reverse direction. Sir, whenever you are talking about this arrow mark, this is called as what? Manual or explicit casting. Sir, whenever you are seeing this one, this is called as what? Implicit or automatic casting. That's all, friends. If theory wise, if you are clear, I will explain by taking some programs. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Are you clear with the terminology?
Yes, sir.
Right. Let us take one example. I want to take. Sir, everyone clear? Only one or two people are responding. Please confirm.
Yes, sir. Clear.
Right. Now listen. Sir, I am going to write some statement. You have to tell, is it correct or is it going to raise any error? See, I have integer I is equal to 10 is there. Byte b is equal to I. Tell me, sir, is it valid or invalid? We are converting integer into which type? Byte. What is the size of integer?
So 4.
4.
Size of byte? 1.
1.
4 bytes to 1 bytes. Possible?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
No. Immediately we are going to get error. What is that error? Sir, incompatible types, possible lossy conversion from integer to byte. Array boss, I am unable to convert. Why? Because there may be a chance of getting loss when you are converting from integer to byte. Array sir, no problem. Even if I am getting loss also, I want to convert. If that is your requirement, sir, for that only we covered one topic, right? Sir, what is that? Sir, within bracket, in front of this I, what is a target B? B is what type? Byte type. Try to take byte. In this case, what will happen? Manually, we are converting. Sir, is the compiler is going to cool or not? Yes. If you run the program, we will get output. Sir, I didn't printed the values. That's why we are not getting. System.out.println of. I am printing I where the output is 10. Sir, I am printing B where the output is nothing but what? 10 only. Now you can see. Sir, are you clear with this? Please confirm.
Yes, sir.
Then you may have a question. What is that question is? Sir, you told that practically it is not possible. there will be some loss. Where is the loss? Are you seeing anywhere loss?
No, sir.
No.
No, sir.
Sir, why loss is coming, not coming? Because byte and integer both are having the value 10, right? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Tell me what is the range of byte? Minus 128 to
127.
plus
127.
127. So byte can accommodate only these values. Am I right?
Yes.
Now what I will do is I will try to store 127. Sir, for I 127 we will get. For B also, for our easy convenient purpose, I am printing like this. In a single line, I want to print both. Now tell me 127 followed by 127. Am I right?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Got it? Now I am taking 128. Sir, for I value 128, what about B? Definitely it is not 128. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Because 128 value is there. Tell me what is your expected output? Is it loss or not? So what
Yes,
will
sir.
happen is, again it will come from the beginning. If you are trying to store 128, what will happen? It will start from the beginning. So what value we are expecting? Minus 120?
8.
Are you getting? It will always in a circular fashion. If I am giving 129, tell me what is output? Integer 129. But still it is not there in the byte range. What will happen? Minus 127. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
So if I am taking 130, what will happen, sir? Integer 130. What about this one?
Minus 126.
Minus 126. It will keep on moving. Are you understanding the point?
Yes, sir.
I think what is loss? How we are going to get that loss? Really is loss of information is there or not? You people got very clear clarity, sir. Any doubt, friends?
No, sir.
Sir, clear everyone? Friends, please confirm.
Yes.
Clear, sir.
Right. Next question. Next question. Example number 4. What is the next question is? See, sir, I'm taking one data type like integer I is equal to 101, sir. And character CH I am taking. Sir, CH is equal to I. Can I take like this? What is the I value, sir? Integer type. Integer size is what? 4 bytes. I am converting into CH. CH is what type of data? Character type. What is the size, sir? 2 bytes. Is it possible? Is it possible?
Not implicitly, sir.
Not implicitly. We will get compilation error. I want to do this. Sir, can I take here character? Because the target is character. Now it is going to allow. So what will be the values? We have to print. Then only we can get the value. Sir, I am trying to print I value. Where I value is nothing but what? 101. Sir, I want to print CH value. What is the value that we are going to get? 101 ASCII value is something like E, I think so. Yes.
B.
No, it is E. After D is 100. Sir, clear up to this?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
Right. Example number 5. Example number 5. What is the fifth example here is? Listen carefully. Sir, I want to take one double value, sir. Okay. So double D is equal to 109.34 I am taking. I want to convert this into integer. So the statement which I am taking is I is equal to D I am taking. Definitely it is not possible to convert. That's why I am manually pushing into integer. So if you print d value, the output which I am expecting is 104.109.34. Sir, if I am printing I, the output which I am going to get is nothing but 109. How much loss is there? That 0.34 is nothing but a loss, sir. Are you clear up to this, friends?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
Yes. So this is nothing but what we have about data types and typecasting. So how you can able to convert one type of data to another type of data. I think yesterday and today demo, you people enjoyed it. So if you are having any queries, feel free to ask. From next Saturday onwards, our regular classes are going to be started.
I have a doubt, sir.
Yes, please.
If we convert from float to directly byte, is it convertible or not?
Not convertible, but if you do typecasting, it is convertible.
How we can convert, sir?
So, sir, very simple. You want to convert which type to which type? Float to?
Float to byte.
So now just you can take byte B. So can I take B is equal to target is what type byte? A. A is a floating point. We are manually converting into byte and we will store it in B. What is output that we will get? 10.
Yes.
If 10 is not there, then what will happen? Within the range, it will accommodate. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Any other questions, please?
Sir,
Yes.
sir, if we write in the byte value that is 328.23, so what will be the output, sir?
In the byte, if you are trying to write 328 point something.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So byte B is equal to, so 328 point something like that. We will get error. Why? Because, sir, this one is what type? Is it float or double?
Sir, double.
Double. We are trying to convert double into byte. Error, right?
Yes, sir.
So if you want to convert to byte, what we have to do? Like this, we have to take. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
In that, it will take only 328, right?
Okay.
But 328 is not there in byte, right?
Yes, sir.
Internally, some value will be there, some minus value or positive value, like that it will take. You understood how that value is coming.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
So that 328 minus 127, if you take, how much value that you are getting, that negative value you will get.
Okay, sir.
Any other questions?
Hi Prakash.
Yeah,
Namaste.
hi.
So may I know how many month of duration of this course?
Sir, this course is seven weekends.
Okay.
7 weekends, not this weekend. You have to count from next weekend.
So are you cover here Spring Boot as well?
No, sir. No, sir. Only CoreJava.
Okay, sir. Daily
Yeah.
3 hours. Means Saturday and Sunday.
Yes, yes. 3 to 3.5 hours sometimes, depend on the topic.
Okay.
So next week we are going to start introduction to the programming, installation of Java, keywords, comments, anyway data types we covered, literals, operators. These things we are going to cover in the next Saturday. Then on Sunday, IO statements and all we are going to discuss. Any other questions?
Oh, sir.
Right. That's all, friends. Now tell me, those who are interested to continue in this batch,